Sujata Group of Schools is a boon from late Mrs. Sita Jaisingh in the year 1966. Our founder, Mrs. Sita Jaisingh, was a great visionary. She was born on April 4, 1921 at Bodinaya-Kannur, Periyakulam Taluk, Madurai district, Tamil Nadu. She was the first child of Sri Thakur Ram Singh and Srimati Sona Bai. She graduated from the prestigious American College Madurai with a BA degree and got her BT from the Madras University. She was the first female graduate from the Rajput community in South India. After her marriage to Mr. P.B. Jaisingh, she came to Hyderabad in 1956 and worked as a headmistress for 10 years. She was a strict disciplinarian and a hard taskmaster. Late Mr. P.B. Jaisingh was the chairman of Sujata Group of Institutions. He was one whom anyone could approach for his ideals. His ideals are the strength of the institution. He was always keen and eager to assist with all his love for children. His presence to witness the annual day celebrations showed his interest, love, and affection towards the development of the young generation to make them responsible citizens. He had been a source of inspiration with selfless service. His spirit of volunteerism is highly commendable. Late Srimati Sita Jaisingh and Sri P.B. Jaisingh were pioneers in education. They together, hand in hand, had laid the foundation of these huge institutions with an intention to serve humanity by providing education to the society around. After having worked as a successful and efficient headmistress in various schools, she was inspired to start her own school in a special and modern way. A school which would serve as a center for learning and character building. Thus, she made a beginning by starting Sujata School at Chapel Road, Hyderabad. Mrs. Singh, by using her rich experience in the field of education and her ideals as blueprint, founded Sujata School in a humble way with a strength of 40 students and 5 teachers. This co-education school has grown leaps and bounds over the years by starting a junior and degree college for women and PG students. This institution thus took its origin, and today it is a renowned institution for imparting quality education with value. This reminds us of the adage, sow an action and you reap it, sow a habit and you reap a character, sow a character and you reap destiny. To add a feather to the crown, a new chapter was added to the Sujata Group of Schools by starting a residential school in Moinabad in 2004. This is the dream project of Sujata Arts and Science Academy. Sujata Group has always been recognized for providing quality and value-added academic education through state-of-the-art education technology and media. We are fully equipped to meet the evolving challenges of the 21st century. Our aim is to provide not only the best academic education but also to ensure the overall development of a student. We feel that we have an equally important duty of molding the destiny of our future generation. Late Mrs. Sita Jaisingh and Mr. P.B. Jaisingh were blessed with 2 sons and 1 daughter. Mr. Jai Prakash Singh, the eldest son, Mr. J. Prithvi Raj Singh, his youngest son, and the one and the only daughter, Mrs. Sujata R. Singh, who got married and settled in USA. Sujata Group of Institutions is named after her. Late Mrs. Sita Jaisingh passed away on 25th February 1998 and late Mr. P.B. Jaisingh passed away on 12th January 2011. After the demise of the founders, Mr. Jai Prakash Singh and Dr. Aruna Singh have shouldered the huge responsibility of running the Sujata Group of Institutions. Mr. Jaiprakash Singh is a chemical engineer who has returned after a 16-year stint from the USA. He is an exemplary son who is carrying the torch of literacy led by his parents along with his wife, Dr. Aruna Singh. He is a very kind-hearted and simple-natured person. He has a lot of love and affection for the children. This shows in his involvement with the students in various activities. Dr. Aruna Singh is the principal of Sujata Junior, Degree and PG College. She is a multidimensional personality who single-handedly manages the mentioned institutions with the support of her husband, Mr. Jaiprakash Singh. She holds a double doctorate, a PhD in zoology from Osmania University and a PhD in anatomy from USA. She has years of experience in teaching, not only in India but also in United States of America. The institutions under her guidance are fortunate. She is also a very humble, tolerant and peace-loving person who believes in working in a team and has strong conviction in the strength of teamwork. We see this happening in her coordination with the Sujata Group of Institutions. She always acknowledges the hard work done by the students and teachers. She is highly motivating and understanding. She encourages one and all and recognizes individual talent, skills, and abilities. Over the years, under their able guidance, our school has grown strength to strength. They have carried the legacy to complete 50 years in managing Sujata Group of Institutions by 2016. We appreciate and pray that our institution will improve to compete with the other institutions to be the best. May the Lord shower His blessings on their family and their descendants.
Sujata School, our hearts delight to live we pledge together. Sujata School, our hearts delight to live we pledge together. I work and play, we come to thee and do whatever duties to thee. Thus we show thee our loyalty in fulfilling the motto. Love, service and sacrifice, we stand for thee wherever. Sujata School, our hearts delight, to thee we pledge together. Let the candles of our knowledge glow and spread around us wherever we go. Sujata School is dear to us, no distance can now sever. Sujata School is dear to us, no distance can ever sever. Sujata School forever, Sujata School for boys and girls, Sujata School forever, Sujata School for boys and girls, Sujata School forever.